Hi guys, how you all doing? I hope you are having an amazing day. I just wanted to make this quick little update video over here cause many of you guys actually asked me what's really different into the latest MIUI 9.5 cause literally Xiaomi gave you the 9.5.6 which was the initial Android 8.1 Oreo update for global and India of course. But then they discontinued, they gave back the 9.2 with some camera upgrades and they literally just stopped the rollback. Well, yeah, Xiaomi has again fixed the Android Oreo and now it's rolling out to majority of the users, starting with MIUI 9.5.14.0. Yes, but this is not MIUI 9.6. I don't know whether it would be hitting or not since the MIUI 10 has begun its stage, but many people complain that they just ignore the bugs into the MIUI 9.5 such as the notification panel. Well, I can't tell you about that because this is not my daily driver phone, but what I can tell you is when coming back from MIUI 10 global beta, this is way smoother. Like the phone feels so much quicker than before. Like the status bar, I know it doesn't have any kind of animations compared to the MIUI 10, but the phone just feels way snappier. Also the gesture animations have a weird kind of lag in MIUI 10 because of all the blur thingies, but in this thing, no issues at all. The animations are much more simplified. That's why there are no lags at all. Literally, it's butter smooth. Even if you go to the settings, it shows me there is something, but let's just go to about phone. Android version 8.1, we are getting nothing newer than that. Android P is not happening for Redmi Note 5 Pro. At least that's what I guess, cause it has already done its 1-year upgrade as it's a Redmi phone. All the MI phones actually get 2-year updates. So for example, if Mi 6X actually gets an Android P update, we might be able to port it. But there you go. The security patch level is surprisingly May. Yes. It's like almost July in next week and we are still not having a June security patch into the latest update, which is, I don't know what Xiaomi is doing. Literally they fake security patches, but they are not even bothered to just fake it over here into the build prop. Otherwise all the stuff just stays the same. The fluidity of this ROM is just amazing. Like literally let me just close all the apps. Like the UI is completely lag free. The apps open pretty quick. So that's kind of surprising. If you want a butter smooth experience, just stay on this ROM for a bit. And then talking about the camera is still the same. You get to the portrait mode, you have zoom in and zoom out, which was actually present into the Android Nougat rollback, which was 9.2.13. Then you have photo and stuff. You don't get 1080p 60 fps recording in this one. If you want that, you have to actually install the China beta. And then dual 4G must be now working for almost all of you guys, as Xiaomi says, and that's pretty much it. You just get Android Oreo. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will be back soon with more Redmi Note 5 Pro and MI1 content. I've been just going through a rough patch right now, but yeah, just hold on, subscribe down there, and see you in the next one. Peace.